Thank you.
Okay, now how many husbands do we have in the crowd? Husbands, raise your